how to get a custom crosshair on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. I'm going to tell you how to get a custom crosshair on Fortnite for Nintendo Switch. As of now, Fortnite does not officially support custom crosshairs on Nintendo Switch. The in-game settings allow you to toggle the default reticle on or off, but there is no option to customize the appearance. This limitation is in place to ensure fairness across all players, especially in cross-platform play. Some players have explored alternative methods, such as using an external device or software to overlay a custom crosshair on the screen. However, these approaches are not officially supported and may not be practical or effective on the Nintendo Switch. In summary, while the desire for a custom crosshair is understandable, the current game settings on the Nintendo Switch do not permit this customization.